in this video we're gonna do a test for 0 versus 4 versus 6 and versus 8 fans. So the 0 is gonna be like our reference, and we're gonna add up fans later and see the difference from 0 to 8. Here we are in our 0 fan test, like 0 additional fan. We leave the CPU and the GPU ones, and let's go to see how it's gonna turn out. So here we are at the 4 fans mark, and let's see how it's gonna turn out. Here we are at the 6 fans mark. We have 4 intakes, 2 exhausts. Let's see how it's gonna go. At the final spot, we have right now the 8 fans inside. We have 5 intakes and 3 exhausts, as you can see. So let's see how the temperature and RPM will behave. Back, here is our test result. As you can see, let's start with the 0 additional fan. As you see here, with no additional fan to our case, we have a massive CPU throttling, with the package power dropping down to 42.6 watt, the PPT dropping down to 41.7 watt, which goes into the whole CPU performance compromise to 4.3 GHz. On the other hand, our GPU core clock is close to the maximum. Meanwhile, we are having some noise issue here with this massive fan speed. So let's go to the next one and see what happened in the 4 fans. In the 4 fans, we have a peak optimal for the CPU. The package power reach around 80 watts, the PPT 77.8, which give us a good headroom to our CPU to boost up to 4.9 GHz. On the other hand, there is nothing new here, similar at the previous one. So let's jump to the 6 fans. As you can see here, we have less power. We don't know why we have less power here for the CPU, but we are still getting 4.9 GHz, which is something good. On the other hand, the GPU side, finally we have the first result here. As you can see, less with 100 RPM, which means less noise. And this is gonna lead us to the final result of the 8 fans. As you can see, this is like the peak optimal for CPU and GPU. As you can see here, our package power jumped up to 86 and the PPT to 82.6, which give us a good headroom for our CPU to boost to around 5.2 GHz. Also give us a good headroom to our core clock for the GPU to jump to the maximum, and we have less noise with less RPM, as you can see here. In conclusion, if you are a normal user, you will use your PC for gaming, light productive tasks, just keep your 4 fans, you are good with it. But if you are someone who is using his PC under maximum load for the majority of time, and he do some tasks that require higher cognitive attention, you need to go for 8 fans or even more, because like from our test, as you see, more fans with less RPM means less noise, means less cognitive friction for you, and you have to decide, are you going to get more fans or not. So that's it for today. If you want this artifact, you will have the link in the description, and consider to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you, see you in the other one.